Money may seem like a simple idea. You work for it, you use it, you save it. But money is more than just a tangible thing or a digit in your account. Money is also a form of trust, a promise that you will pay back what you owe. And to measure how trustworthy you are, lenders use a number that summarizes your credit history, your credit score. What is a credit score? A credit score is a number between 300 and 850 that indicates your creditworthiness. A higher score means you are more likely to be approved for loans and receive lower interest rates. Your credit score is based on the information in your credit report, which is a record of your past and current credit activities. The most common credit score is the ficoscore, which is developed by the Fair Isaac Corporation. FICO estimates that 90% of lending decisions in the USA use its score. Your ficoscore is calculated using 5 main factors, including 1. Payment history. This is the most important factor, and it accounts for 35% of your score. Paying your bills on time shows lenders that you are reliable. 2. Amounts owed. This factor accounts for 30% of your score. Lenders want to see that you are not carrying too much debt and that you are using your credit responsibly. 3. Length of credit history. This factor accounts for 15% of your score. A long history of responsible credit use shows lenders that you are a reliable borrower who is likely to repay your debts. 4. New credit. This factor accounts for 10% of your score. Lenders want to see that you are not opening too many new accounts too quickly. 5. Credit mix. This factor accounts for 10% of your score. A variety of credit, including cards, loans, and mortgages, shows lenders that you are creditworthy. How to get a good credit score. A good credit score can open up many opportunities for you, such as getting lower interest rates, qualifying for better financial products, and renting an apartment. Generally, a score of 670 or higher is considered good, while a score of 800 or above is excellent. The FICO score for the average American is 711. To get a good credit score, you need to build a positive credit history over time. These are some practical tips on how to accomplish it. 1. Your credit score depends mostly on whether you pay your bills on time. Make sure you pay at least the minimum amount due on all your accounts every month and avoid late or missed payments. 2. Keep your balances low. Try to use less than 30% of your available credit limit across all your accounts. This will help to lower your credit utilization ratio, which is a major factor in your credit score. 3. Have a long and diverse credit history. The longer you have been using credit and the more types of credit you have, the better for your score. However, avoid opening too many new accounts at once or applying for multiple loans or cards within a short period of time, as this can lower your score. 4. Check your credit report regularly. Your credit report contains the information that is used to calculate your credit score. You should check your report at least once a year for errors and dispute any inaccurate information. You can get a free copy of your report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion at annualcreditreport.com. Having a good credit score can help you save money, access better financial products, and achieve your financial goals. By following the tips above, you can improve your credit score over time and enjoy the benefits of having good credit. Thanks for watching, and hope you found this video informative and helpful. I'll see you next time.